Hi, I'm Friso from DT Swiss, working in the marketing department. Today I would like to talk to you a little bit about mountain bike wheels. Next to me is Catherine. Catherine will help me to introduce to you and talk to you about wheels.
Hi Friso, thank you. I'm Catherine. I'm working for DT Swiss in the product management department and I'm responsible for the mountain bike wheels.
Yeah, you're working with mountain bike wheels. We have here the current SPLINE ONE wheel and you're part of the team developing such wheels. I can imagine to renew such a wheel, that's quite a hard job.
Yeah, that's definitely difficult. You just mentioned it. With the current 1501, we reached the highest performance of alloy wheels or alloy rims, and it's our benchmark product. So it's not easy to reinvent this wheel, and we definitely had to think about new materials, for example.
So when you're talking about material, you're talking about carbon fiber?
Yes. So the new 1501 will be carbonized.
Yeah, you have the wheel right in front of you, showing it to the audience, and I recognize, yes, it's a carbon fiber rim, but you already mentioned it's not just about the rim, it's about a complete new wheel. For example, what about the hubs?
Developing a wheel means we are starting from scratch. So we are starting from a white paper, and that means we are not only developing a new rim, but also using new components such as spokes or, as you just mentioned, the hub. And yeah, we launched our new 240 hub with the EXP system this spring, and it was a no-brainer to also use this for our new 1501 wheel. But besides the hub, we also now use new spokes, as I just mentioned before. Before we were using the competition spokes, and now we are using competition race spokes. They are lighter, and we could use them because we have now a carbon rim which is stiffer.
And you have now here the EXC 1501. That means in the naming of DT Swiss, that's an enduro wheel. What about the other fields of application for mountain bike wheels?
Yeah, we have this wheel, of course, not only for enduro, so also for the cross country and the all mountain segment. But the advantage of all this, taking all the different parts together, especially, for example, for the enduro segment, we could save up to 170 grams per wheel set.
Yeah, that's quite a lot. I can see here now, if we're talking about the brake mount, that this version got an international standard brake mount. The current SPLINE ONE just was available in center lock version. What about this feature?
Yeah, you're right. We saw a big request in the aftermarket, especially in the enduro segment, and that is our first wheel now we are offering also in international standards, so 6-bolt version as well. So in the enduro segment, we will offer that in center lock and in ES6 bolt.
That's a feedback we got from the market and brought this to the new product. Another number that counts for the customer. What about the price point of this wheel set?
Of course, with the 1200 we are offering a high-end carbon wheel, and our goal was definitely to offer now a wheel which is more affordable than the 1200 wheel. So the 1501 line will be available for 1,498 euro or 1,899 US dollar.
Aluminium is still a big thing on the market, and we all know we offer all the components, and we see customers searching for options combining our components. Is there an option from our side?
Of course, what you just mentioned, a lot of customers are combining our components, such as the EX511, with our current 350 hub. And of course, these are benchmark products, and we couldn't just skip our high-end alloy wheel. And that's why we combined all these really asked components together and combined them to our new 1700 wheel.
Yeah, we just talked about that this is a current wheel build from customers. But what makes the difference then to a custom wheel build in a shop or at a wheel builder compared to the SPLINE 1700 from DT Swiss?
Talking about the components itself, we are now offering still are using our EX511, so it's the same rim, but the difference is the hub. You cannot buy this hub at a wheel builder. It's a special one. So it's the 350 hub with a different hub shell. It's a bit lighter. It has 36 teeth. So yeah, it's a completely new developed hub. And what adds up, we are specialists in building our wheels. We are not doing anything else. So we are really focusing on our wheels, and we are at DT Swiss, all wheels are hand built since ages. And that means no wheel builder has this expertise as we do. And of course, this is something which is our plus.
What about the price point of the SPLINE 1700?
So it is available from August on, so you can go into your shop and directly order that. And of course, the pricing is a topic, and we managed to bring the price down to 699 euro, or for the US, it's 886 US dollar.
That sounds good. So that's a quite affordable wheel, and we have as well an affordable version of our carbon fiber wheel. So two very good options on performance wheels in the DT Swiss mountain bike lineup. Thank you, Catherine, for joining me.
Thank you, Friso.
Thank you for watching this video. See you soon again.
Bye.
Bye.